Ladies and gentlemen, it's a historic day. मैं भी जल्दी उठ गया हूँ आज. इनफैक्ट मैं it's 5:15 a.m. right now. Day theory TF just got approved. So the industry has just gained a lot of credibility all of a sudden. One funny thing that I have noticed is that बहुत ही significantly मेरा music consumption जो है वो down हो गया after taking a walk in the morning. And the simple reasoning for that is कि सुबह सुबह आते हैं तो मन करता है कि भाई बस नॉर्मली चलो, इतना कुछ मीडिया कंजम्पशन का मन नहीं करता. तो when I walk in the morning, I don't really want to listen to music. My music consumption for the last 3 or 4 days has been zero. ये ज़िंदगी चाहिए भाई. आराम से कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, दूसरा चक्कर लगा रहा हूँ मैं, तब से यहीं पे खड़ा हुआ है. You know, there is a very famous guy named Jocko Willink, जिसके बारे में शायद मैंने इस चैनल पे पहले बोला है या नहीं बोला है. He has this saying which is discipline equals freedom. If you think about it, discipline is the act of making yourself enslaved to a set of protocols by your own will, not by any external force. That allows you to become free from a lot of potential decision making. So, yeah, discipline equals freedom. बस मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे ही चल रहा था कि now it makes sense. It's actually freeing you up from the responsibility of making a lot of decisions because they can become like more automated in some sense. You know, I was thinking अभी workout के बीच में, and I realized that a lot of people give advice basis of their journey. Which is actually one of the reasons कि सारे के सारे जो vlogs हैं, they're 2 years into the future. ताकि if I give any kind of damaging advice, well, at least you're hearing it 2 years down the line, and I can quickly come out in the public and say नहीं ये मैं गलत कह रहा था. That's not true based on my then experiences जो future में होंगे. But I think like whenever you see like influencers and stuff, आपको एक चीज़ हमेशा लगती होगी कि यार ये कभी कुछ कह रहा है, कभी कुछ कह रहा है, फिर पलट जाता है, फिर 3 महीने बाद कुछ और कहेगा. And you will not notice this until and unless you follow somebody like religiously, like watch all of their uploads. And since I have a slightly obsessive personality, the people that I like, I actually do that to them. Okay, I'll watch all of their stories, all of their posts, try to consume as much content as I can. And until and unless it's like a very thought out thing, which most of the times it's not, because most people are living their lives forward, right? तो नई नई चीज़ें experience करते हैं, maybe their opinions change. You will start to see like nooks and crannies जहाँ पे you'd be like, wait a second, ये जो ये बोल रहा है आज की वीडियो में, मैंने 3 महीने पहले एक वीडियो देखा था, इसी की कोई क्लिप थी, शॉर्ट्स था, रील थी, इसमें कुछ और बोल रहा था. Interesting. And I think part of that can be कि भाई आपका influencer जो है, they're shady or they're out to dupe you. But I think a more realistic scenario is that they're living their lives forward as well, which is why you cannot outsource your thinking, you cannot outsource your own logic and reasoning, you cannot outsource your beliefs. कोई और आपके लिए नहीं सोच सकता, कोई और आपके लिए किसी चीज़ में यकीन नहीं कर सकता. Nobody else can pick up the weights for you. So always keep an open mind. Even when you're watching these videos of me, keep an open mind, question everything कि अच्छा ये कह रहा है, इसकी situation में work कर रहा है. Because situationally a lot of things differ. As much as I would like to say कि नहीं, just work hard and you'll get there, it's not that simple when you zoom out, because a lot of things in life are just plain luck. A lot of things. The thing is कि if you show up every day, then somebody like Andrew Tate would say, if you show up every day, there's a high chance you will get lucky. Because if you don't miss a day, then you will also not miss the lucky day. So that is perhaps more of my belief now. Earlier it used to be, just work hard and you will make it. Now it's not so much. You need to work hard consistently over a period of time, in the right direction, in the right market, and also get lucky. That, I think, is where my head is at the moment. भाई आप लोगों को एक बहुत ही फ़नी बात बताऊँ, रुको यार काम कर रहा हूँ. हाँ, मैं बहुत ही फ़नी बात बताऊँ. वो क्लाइंट का जो पेमेंट था वो फाइनली आ गया. I'm so happy, I can't tell you. And we are in the process of firing one of our clients because they misbehaved with Lingo. And मैंने बस ये देखा है कि once a line of disrespect is crossed between clients and client servicing team, तो फिर उस रिलेशनशिप को बचाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. Because if you let it go, तो I've never seen people erring on the side of गुडनेस कि वो कह देंगे कि अरे कोई बात नहीं यार, एक बात की बात है, ये हो गया वो हो गया. इट्स नॉट द थिंग. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ कि यार देखो, कोई भी ऐसे आपकी बदतमीज़ी करे, बेइज्जती करे, चिल्लाए आपके ऊपर, नेवर टेक दैट अप, बिकॉज डिसरिस्पेक्ट इज़ नॉट द आंसर इन सम सेंस. इट्स नेवर द आंसर. तो हमेशा उससे बच के रहना पड़ता है. सो दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. But yeah, overall we are like very happy. Ethereum ETF got approved. Client payments have come in. Alhamdulillah, life is so good. And believe it or not, आज ये सारी चीज़ें चेक हो रही हैं. And I'm just gonna upload this video. आज मैं काफ़ी लेट सो रहा हूँ because it's like Friday night. तो मैं 1 AM हो रहा है इस वक्त. तो I was just spotting around a little bit. घर के अंदर ही of course. So yeah, just really happy.